What if I told you that one of nature's simplest treasures can turn tired, lifeless soil into a fertile bed bursting with energy? Out in the wild, forests thrive without fertilizers because the earth knows how to heal itself. And today, I'll show you how to bring that same power straight into your garden. The secret? Charcoal. Yes, the very same blackened wood that holds the memory of fire. Beneath its dark surface lies a natural soil booster that gardeners have trusted for centuries. All you need to do is take a piece of natural, untreated charcoal and crush it into a fine powder. Once it's ready, gently sprinkle it over the surface of your plant's soil. Then, with your hands or small tool, softly mix it in so it blends right into the earth. What happens next is pure magic. Charcoal improves soil structure, balances pH, holds onto nutrients, and even helps roots breathe better. Your plants will grow stronger, greener, and healthier, all from this simple, natural ingredient. So if your soil feels weak and lifeless, remember, sometimes the smallest, darkest things can spark the brightest growth. And if you love discovering natural gardening secrets like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a fellow gardener.